Hello, I'm René. We're at restaurant Substans, and I'll be cooking one of our desserts. It's a dessert made from fermented berries with a little bit of cream as well. So what we do is we start with we do a sorbet made from blueberries, and we add a little bit of fermented blueberry juice and lemon oil. Then we have some burnt caramelized cream, a little bit of raw sunchokes, and some dried flowers and hip roses to top it off. So what we do is, in the bottom of the plate, we'll scoop in the sorbet. Then we'll add this is the fermented berries with an oil made from lemon thyme. So it's sweet and sour, and then we add the caramelized cream to make everything a little bit fatty. And this is some burnt white chocolate. And then on top we add the raw sunchokes to give everything just a little bit of crunch. And to top it off and make it all aromatic, we'll add some dried flowers and a little bit of hip roses as well. That's also been dried. So here we go. This is the dish. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon here at the restaurant Substans.